Hi everyone, my name is Michael Adelani Abayomi. I'm a graphic designer, a video editor, and a content creator, and I also render IT support. Should in case you need my service, you can call me on 08167737980 or message me on WhatsApp. You can also check me out on Facebook. Thank you.
So to create something that you just watched now, if you want to make something like that, this is what we're going to do. Firstly, you go to ChatGPT. This is chatgpt.com. Then when you are there, you click on this plus to upload your image, your real image. Upload from computer. And you select your picture. Make it 3D cartoon. And then send it just like the one I did. And let us wait for the result. It is still generating, so you have to wait. Yes, it is done now. So we can now download this image. You can see the download here. Once it is downloaded, then we now go to the site where we lip sync what we want this cartoon to say. So, and we'll be using Hedra. Go to www.hedra.com. So when you get there, you have to sign up. You will be sent a code to your email. Once you verify your account, you will be asked to log in. So once you log in, you can see here we have 400 points to use because this is a free account unless you are on paid account. From here, you now click on video. Yes, this is what you will have. You come to this image frame, upload image. So let us upload the image. The image, there is it. Then open. Yeah, we have it. The next thing is we add our voice, what we want the cartoon to say. Now, if you click on audio script, so if you have your audio recorded, you can upload it. You can also record a new audio from your device straight away, or you use generate speech. You can type the text you want to say, and then it will be created. One thing is it's limited to 20 seconds, so you cannot record more than 20 seconds. So you have to shorten whatever you want to say. For example, this is record audio. Press this button and start recording your video. You have to allow. Hi everyone, my name is Michael Adelani Abayomi. I'm a graphic designer, a video editor, and a content creator. I also render IT support. Should in case you need my service, you can reach me on 08167737980. You can also message me on WhatsApp. You can see that this thing is more than 20 seconds. So it won't accept it. You can't add it. So you have to create another one and make sure either you are faster in what you are saying or you reduce the length of what you want to say. I have to clear the audio and we record. Hi everyone, my name is Michael Adelani Abayomi. I'm a graphic designer, a video editor, and a content creator. I also render IT support. Should in case you need my service, contact me on 08167737980. You can also text me on WhatsApp or you check me out on Facebook. Thank you. You can say this is very perfect. This is remove background noise. You can remove background noise, add to our project. You can prompt your character the emotion or gesture you want the character to display. Cheerful and smiling. So once you are done with that, upload it and it will be uploaded. There are 11 generations in the free queue. Free wait time, 4 hours. Subscriber wait time, 0. This is a free account. You have to wait. Another thing is your home might be more than 11 generations or even lesser than that, depending on the time. Let us just continue like that. So it is rolling here, so we have to wait. It is done. Actually, this thing will take some while before it finishes creating it. Now we have it. Let us play it and see what we have.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Wadelani Abayomi. I'm a graphic designer, a video editor, and a content creator. I also render IT support. Should in case you need my service, contact me on 08167737980. You can also text me on WhatsApp or you check me out on Facebook. Thank you.
Fine. So that is it. You can now download it from this place. Yeah, it is not downloading. That's it. You can see that we now have 253 credits left out of 400, meaning that you can still create another video if you want to create. That is how you can create your own cartoon with your own voice. Thank you.